Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the Fire TV stick and switching your TV to its HDMI input so you see the home screen. Next, make sure your phone and the stick are on the same Wi-Fi network. This is essential for discovery and streaming. Once done, check for system updates on both devices and enable Bluetooth on the phone. This speeds pairing and device discovery. Now you're ready to open the Fire TV app or the cast settings on your phone to begin pairing. You now open the Amazon Fire TV app or the phone's cast/screen mirroring menu because they handle discovery reliably. Select your Fire TV stick from the device list and watch for a pairing prompt on both devices. Accept it. If the stick shows a PIN, type it into your phone immediately. That verifies identity and secures the link. Make sure you allow any permission requests for screen and audio sharing, so content and controls. You finish by starting playback or mirroring your phone. Control volume with the phone or the Fire TV remote depending on app support. If you see lag or stutter, try switching to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band or moving devices closer to the router to reduce interference. Make sure background apps aren't using bandwidth. If the stick won't appear, restart both devices, reopen the app, and repair. Most connectivity problems clear after a restart and confirming app permissions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.